Welcome to Geek Devotions, a show from a couple devoted geeks who are devoted to letting you know that you're loved. Celeste and I actually shot this video earlier today on my cell phone, and it was really bad. All the audio was off. It looked like a really weird Japanese film. May have to do a video like that one day. Anyways, we're wanting to let you guys know that we appreciate y'all so much. We appreciate all of your support that you have given to Celeste and I and to Geek Devotions. Last night, we got online and we saw that we had 96 views on our very first episode. So we're like, hey, let's do something fun. We tweeted out, help us break the 100 viewership border. And sure enough, in the 48 hours of our uploading our very first video, we have 106 views. And that's all thanks to you guys, and we are so appreciative of it. When we first came up with the idea of Geek Devotions and we're planning this out, we didn't know what this would look like. And we know we're still at the beginning stages, but we wanting to put out good content that encourages people, lets them know that they are loved. And every time you hit the subscribe button, every time you hit the like button, every time you hit the share button, we're spreading the message out, letting people know that they're loved. If one of our videos encourages you, share it. If you know someone that could use some encouragement and you think one of our videos might be a good tool for you, share it. Because that's really what this is about, is just letting people know that they're loved. So, yeah. Thank you so much for helping us to do that. Just so you know what's coming down the pipeline, to this Friday we have a video going up from my resident Trekkie, Celeste, and so we're pretty excited about that. Also, we're looking at doing some reviews of movies and books, comic books, video games, just so that you guys know what's out there. I have a lot of phone calls from people sometimes saying, hey, what's a good comic book for my kid? What's a good comic book for my teenager? Celeste will have people ask her questions about books and stuff like that, and we realize that people just don't know. Parents just, you're like, hey, I'm just going to get this for my kid, and oh, this is a bad idea, and we want to help supply you guys with a resource that lets you know what's going on out there. So that's what's coming down the pipeline. We love you guys. We appreciate you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the share button, and spread some love. So that's pretty much all I got to say. Again, thank you. Thank you so much. Peace and love.